Hello, this is a review and test of the audio quality of the Samson Q2U, which is a dynamic microphone that I've recently got. So right now I've got it in my hand, no post-processing or anything, so you'll be able to hear maybe a bit of the audio from me touching the mic like that. See how that sounds? And there's background noise because I've got my computer on, which is quite noisy. The noise floor at the moment is like at its worst. It's a very good sounding microphone. Another test, I'm going to type on my keyboard over here, which is about 1.5 feet away from the microphone. You shouldn't be able to hear a lot of it. Yeah, so that's quite loud typing. I don't usually press keys like that, but just so you guys know. So I'm going to test the pickup pattern. So it's got a cardioid pickup pattern, I think. Hello, testing. Yeah, so you basically have your mouth right in front of it to get the best sound. An XLR microphone or a USB. I don't have an audio interface at the moment, so using USB, so take that into consideration. So this sounds slightly worse on USB than it does with an XLR port, because I believe it's the analog to digital conversion within the end of this microphone is not quite as good as if you'd have a proper audio interface, but I guess it sounds good enough at the moment. It also has audio pass through, so I've got my headphones so I can hear myself talk, and it's also got a cool feature, so audio comes through the USB, so you can actually hear any game sound or whatever you're doing on your computer through the microphone. Use it as like an amp or a DAC or whatever. So the mic comes with this stand. I quite like just holding it in my hand, but we'll have a little go with the stand. Okay, so this stand's plastic at the top, this tube bit's metal, and the feet are plastic, but it's fine for just putting it on your desk, like so. So my desk's quite noisy with my computer at the moment, so this is how it sounds. Test all the sides of the microphone. Oh, hello. Sounds pretty good. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm on 10 subscribers now. You can make it 11. This isn't like my usual videos. Just want to test out the mic. I do medical school videos and some gaming. If you're interested, check out my channel. Yeah. So I've been using it with the pop filter on. But there's no reason not to. It comes with the pop filter.